Let's form Korean sentences. 이거 물이에요. 이거 물이에요. This sentence follows the pattern 이거 noun plus 이에요. What is the meaning of 이거? 이거 means this. It is a demonstrative pronoun used to indicate that the object is near to the speaker. What is the meaning of 이에요? It means it is. If the noun has a vowel ending, we'll be adding 이에요. But if the noun has a consonant ending, we'll be adding 이에요. For our example sentence, the word or the noun is 물, which means water. Since this has a consonant ending, we'll be adding 이에요. So it becomes 물이에요. To summarize, 이거 means this, 물 means water, and 이에요 means this. And if these three are combined, it would result to a sentence that means this is water.